You messed it up. And this is the Jam Life. Now you may be wondering, what the is Jam Life? And I'm gonna tell you, we don't know. It stands for the life of jam. What's jam? No, it's not jamming with your band.
Not strawberry jam.
It's not strawberry jam. That's delicious, but no. It stands for Jessie.
Jessie.
And
Mona.
So
what do you want to talk about?
that's a good question.
We kind of didn't really go in this one.
Yeah, we didn't really plan.
Okay, so bug bites. Wait, is it recording again?
She killed him! It's okay, baby, I love you!
You're so dumb.
Magic!
Okay. Hi. Yeah, I'm Jewish.
Hey, Jude. So make it bad.
Do. Make a sad song.
Remember to the better. You're a bitch.
And she was just like, yeah, whatever. I mean, her voice isn't that
really
low.
I don't sound like that. It's not that important.
And she makes me wanna do it all night long. Going hard when they turn the spotlights on. Because she moves her body like a cyclone. Just like a cyclone.
Okay, let me show you something.
Alright.
It's her Justin Bieber doll.
He's the love of my life, don't judge me.
Not really mine, but yeah. That's one of the problems I have with her.
I'm obviously the love of his life. I mean, look at the way he gazes into my eyes. He's talking about me.
Yiddy. Mac, I'm gone now.
So in English class one day, I said Moses. You know how people say Jesus? I said Moses.
No one
And
says Moses.
this guy was like, oh my god, do all Jews say Moses? I was like, yes. Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, we do. I know a lot of people who do. Let's talk about school!
But it's twang. It's a difference. Beer salt. Twang.
Twang.
That twang is twangy! Why am I screaming at you? Good question. Good question! I'm gonna stay here. No! I poured twang on her.
What was that for?
That's a good question. Don't question it. Let it flow. Let it flow. Like a river of love.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
No, I'm not talking to you. Strangle.
I love you.
Get her off me. Twang. We're going outside. So, follow.
Oh my god, this thing swings.
Welcome to the outside world. We're rocking back and forth. I messed up. Don't talk about it.
Let's talk about our life stories.
I don't have one of those. I was born this morning. Want to see the difference? Stand up.
That sucks.
It's okay. Shh. Shh. Shh.
Get me out.
What are you doing? This is a bad idea. We're going inside again.
That hurt.
Hi
Hey.
again.
Jam Life.
Reporting.
Baby. You're
Burping is for good.
I can't go that high, Mona. No. And she found it from a hobo.
I stole it.
She's attracted to journals, apparently.
We want to introduce you to our little friend.
It's a platypus!
It's an otter.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow, I'm so dumb. Otter just wait.
It's a platypus. No, it's not. I corrected you incorrectly. I incorrectly corrected you.
Beware of the otter.
I love you. I love you so much. I love you. That's the otter talking. Yeah.
Definitely not Mono.
No?
Okay.
Okay, someone likes the otter a little too much. Ah! My eye! Right in the cornea!
I'm sorry.
Come on!